Hi, welcome to this Pen Publishing Interactive video. In this video, I'm going to show you FlipperSD CMS e-commerce features, in particular, how to add multiple pictures to products. So let's get started. So I have this online coffee store set up already in Flipper, and as you can see, I have 3 products. So what I want to do is I want to update my medium roast coffee product detail page to add more pictures to that particular product. So I have this open here, and this is how it looks currently. There's only one picture, has all my information about this product. So I'm going to hit edit product. Now remember, I'm already logged in as an admin. Once I get to the edit product screen, I'm going to hit images. And currently there's only one image assigned to this product. So all I'm going to do is hit assign new image to product. I'm going to hit browse. And I already have loaded a couple pictures that I want to use for this product into my image library. So I'm just going to select this one. I'm going to hit add. And I want to do one more. So I'm going to, again, assign new image to product, browse, and I'm going to select this one and add it. So now this product has 3 pictures. And if I go back here, I'm going to open this. And as you can see, there's those 3 products, those 3 new, it has 3 product pictures now. So what you can do is click on this, it's going to expand. You can toggle through them, you can click the thumbnails at the top, etc. So there are those new pictures that I added. Now, one thing that I want to point out, I'm going to go one step back. If you want to replace the featured image for a product, all you have to do is you can rearrange these however you want. So I want this one to be the featured image on my general online store. So I just moved it, dragged it up. Then I'm going to go back here. And as you can see right now, it's this picture. So once I reload, actually, it already changed. I want to change it to this one. I'm going to reload it. And as you can see, that's the featured image now. Again, if I wanted to make this one the featured image, I just drag to the top. And as you see, it automatically saves when you do that. And again, I'm going to reload this page. And as you can see, it changed. So now, if I go to the detailed product page, you can see that they've moved and they're in the order that I set them in the back end. So, and that's how easy it is to add multiple pictures to products in FlipperSD with the e-commerce features. Hope this video has been beneficial to you. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more about our products and services, please visit penpublishing.com. If you are on Facebook or Twitter, you can find us there. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.